Are you still looking out for the best trend indicator? Are you mad because none of the indicators are working as expected? Now don't go and start breaking your head by looking at all the search results because they will make you feel confused, and we have got you covered. In this video I'll talk about the Retail Insider Trend Following Indicator which I published on TradingView. Before I begin, here's a disclaimer. None of this is financial advice and I'll recommend you to do your own research or talk to your financial advisor and understand about the risks and rewards before taking any trade. If you don't know what an indicator is, it is a set of tools applied to a trading chart of any asset that help the market look more clear. They can confirm if the market is trending or not, or when an asset is overbought or oversold. For example, moving average is one of the most popular indicators used by traders. How to use my indicator? I'm assuming you have a TradingView account. If not, it's fine. Link is in the description, and don't worry, you can sign up and use the free TradingView account as well. There won't be any difference. So after opening TradingView, go to this indicators tab, click on community scripts and search for Retail Insider and this one. Be a Trader is my TradingView account. Just hit the favorite button if you want. You can also check out the read more option to open the details. In our case, the indicator will indicate a possible trend change in the market. So our expectation will be if the price of the asset goes above the indicator when the overall trend is down, it can signal a possibility of a sustained uptrend or a bull market in future. Similarly, if the price of the asset goes below the indicator when the overall trend is up, it can signal a possibility of a break of uptrend or corrective phase or a bear market. Whichever asset you're looking at, just make sure you are on a high time frame. As you can see, this is the Pine editor where I coded the indicator, but don't worry if you don't understand Pine script. It's absolutely fine. You possibly don't need to change anything, but if you are interested, feel free to mess around with the code because this code is open source. I'm currently on the Ethereum chart. I'm not considering the older trends, but as you can see, we got the first breakout around 30th April 2020 and got a nice run up of around 136%. Second breakout confirmation came around 24th October, and even though there was some drawdown, the trend was sustained and we got a nice run of around 950%, which is good, but it happens only in crypto bull market. And the other breakouts are not as much significant, but they are somewhat decent. Let's check the Bitcoin chart. We got a good run of around 450% on the Bitcoin, and if you see, we have pretty much respected the price action and the indicator in past trends as well. Just open the chart and check the previous price action and make sure to change the time frame of the indicator to 1 hour or more in that case. I'll tell the reason later. On Litecoin as well, we have seen a couple of good runs and some choppy movement as well. On Cardano, we saw some nice run, and here comes Matic. It was one of the biggest with over 10,000% return, but unfortunately I sold way too early. Indicators, if you are still wondering, they are derived from the underlying price or volume of an asset with respect to the time. If you try to understand the source code of any indicator, you will get the idea that most of the indicators on the market, including the one I published, are passive in nature, which means the current state of the indicator is dependent on the past price action of the asset. So if you are watching this video, here is my opinion. Use indicators to build your conviction and use it as a confirmation. None of the pro traders use just one indicator alone to take the trades. You need to build some conviction along with proper risk management and your own system to take trades accordingly. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video helped you out. Check the link in the description. And here's a fun fact. 99% of the people who will not subscribe to our channel will lose most of their trades in the market. Just kidding. Hit the subscribe button if you're watching this video for the first time.